Only 1% can ace these general knowledge. Can you prove you're a true genius? What is the process by which plants make their own food called? A. Photosynthesis. Which natural disaster is also known as a twister? C. Tornado. What is the process of water turning into water vapor called? B. Evaporation. Enjoying the challenge? Like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes. What is the layer of gases surrounding the Earth called? A. Troposphere. What is the study of weather and climate called? B. Meteorology.